Welcome back again, my dear brothers and sisters of YouTubers. As you are all aware of that, we were narrating the background, but one we have seen, but two we have seen. Let us continue ahead from here. I have fought my stepfather for the sake of God's love. I became a bad boy, even I banned the clothes of my stepfather. I was not expecting to do this bad habits, but it was something written from Allah's side. When my mother tried me for telling something up and down, she had just led me for corrective behavior into the jail. Day and night I am upset. People in the village, most of them, they are calling me the man who killed his mom. Because the reason why they are saying me, I have fought my stepfather. And at that time, I was not in the correct place. I was in a jail, one night and one day. My mom has come to me. My mom has come to me to the jail in order to release me from the jail. And at that time, I was not having a kind face. Even I resisted to get out from the jail. I have questioned the inspector, why have I jailed here? Is it fault making Allah? The inspector replied me, no, it is not fault, but we have not arrested you for that case, but we have arrested you for disobedient manner. In a few minutes later, my paternal uncle came to me into the jail, and he gave me a special encouragement, and he recalled me back what I was expecting for my future. And I take his warning, then I came out from the jail. Therefore, my mind came into to return back to school. When I went to school and sat down one of my locker, an IRE teacher entered into our class and started explaining our lessons, but my mind was out of service. I only thinking my darling Judo and recalling back what we were discussing about what we will be supposed to do in our future house. Otherwise, thank you. We'll continue ahead there. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment.